Hello बच्चों, my name is Lohit. I'm master teacher here at Vedantu Olympiad School and I welcome you all in the 26th session of Pre-RMO Flashback. So बच्चों, in the 25 sessions we have covered till now 2017 Pre-RMO paper, 2018 previous year Pre-RMO paper, and right now we are continuing with 2019 paper. So we have done the first 15 questions of this. So today we'll be doing 16th, 17th and 18th question of Pre-RMO 2019. So अगेन बच्चों मैं आपको यही बोलूंगा कि आप पेन एंड कॉपी अपना साथ में रखिए एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस अलोंग साइड मी. सो बिकॉज यू हैव द लिबर्टी टू पॉज इट एनीवेयर, राइट? तो आप सीखते सीखते कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो डू मेक श्योर कि आप क्वेश्चन साथ में सॉल्व करें सो दैट आपको अच्छे से लर्निंग हो उसकी, राइट? आपको समझ में आना चाहिए अच्छे से. ओके बच्चों, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज सेशन विद द question number 16 of 2019. Let's see the first question. That is the 16th question of Pre-RMO 2019. So बच्चों, a pen costs 13 rupees and a notebook costs rupees 17. A school spends exactly 10,000 rupees in the year 2017-18 to buy X pens and Y notebooks, such that X and Y are as close as possible. So this will be the condition, very important one. ठीक है? So next year 18-19 वाला जो session है उसमें the school spends a little more than 10,000 rupees and buys Y pens and X notebooks. उल्टा कर दिया. How much more did the school pay? Okay, so bachcho, this question is from basically using the Diophantine equations. You should must know how to solve Diophantine equations. Okay, that is a must. Okay, so let's see bachcho, what is 10,000 first of all. 13 is the cost of pen and we are buying X pens in first year, right? So the cost will be 13x plus 17 rupees into Y notebooks, that is equal to 10,000, right bachcho? So let's solve this first. Okay, let's find the general solutions because X and Y must be in integer values, right? Rather positive values होने चाहिए. तो okay बच्चों, so let's start. I can write X as 10,000 minus 17Y upon 13. Okay, तो बच्चों इसको थोड़ा break down करते हैं, थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा नहीं तो solve करने में. 10,000 by 13 will give you 9,997, right? So that is, I think, divide कर देते हैं उसको 7 91, so you'll get 90 again. So 760, that will be 12, 120, that will be 9, 769 minus एक y भी आ जाएगा 13y if we consider. So we are left with how much? 3 minus 4y upon 13, right बच्चों? That is the process to break it down. तो ये थोड़ा simplify हो गया. ये टर्म तो इंटीजर आएगा ही because x and y are integers. I want this fraction also to be then integer. So let's do one thing. Put this fraction, okay, let's put this fraction equal to some n. Okay, कुछ n डाल देना where n is an integer, right? तो क्या करेंगे? 3 minus 4y will be equal to 13n. I can simplify it again. y को क्या लिखेंगे? y will be written as 3 minus 13n by 4, right बच्चों? तो इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? अगेन split the fraction. So 3 को तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, 13 को कर सकते हैं. That will be minus 3n, right? 12n हो जाएगा plus 3 minus n by 4. So बच्चों यही स्टेप हम दोबारा करेंगे. Now this time we'll substitute this expression is equal to, let's say, k. तो बच्चों अब क्या आएगा? 3 minus n is equal to 4k. तो यहाँ से बच्चों हमारे पास n की इंटीजर वैल्यू आ रही है. देखो कितना सिंपल. Okay, that is 3 minus 4k. So bachcho, that is an important step in this question. That is how basically this is a substitution method to solve the Diophantine equations. Okay bachcho, तो n की वैल्यू k में आ गई है where k is an integer. K belongs to integer set. Okay, although n y सब integers ही हैं, right? So let's find the values of x and y in terms of k now. ठीक है? So common values में. So बच्चों y की वैल्यू कितनी है? देखो यहाँ पे minus 3n plus k. So let's find the value of y first. Minus 3 times n की value is 3 minus 4k plus k. So this will give me y is equal to, let's see, 12k plus k is 13k minus 9. Okay, तो बच्चों that is my first equation. y की value आ गई हमारे पास in terms of k, 13k minus 9. Okay, then now put this y value here in this expression and n की value भी डाल देंगे to find the value of x. So बच्चों x will be equal to 769 minus y is 13k minus 9, okay, plus n where n is 3 minus 4k. Okay बच्चों, तो x की वैल्यू देखो क्या आ रही है यहाँ से 769 plus 9 plus 3, so 781 minus 13k minus 4k will be minus 17k. तो बच्चों दैट इज अवर सेकेंड इक्वेशन, दैट इज एन x. तो x और y का हमें अब कॉमन वेरिएबल पता लग रहा है, k है, दे आर रिलेटेड बाय k and these are integer values of k. For any k I put, I'll get different values of x and y that will be satisfying this given equation. अपनी given equation को जो satisfy कर रहे होंगे. Okay, so बच्चों now the condition actually how do we find? इसके तो बहुत सारे solution हो जाएंगे, right? So how to find the correct solution? That is with the help of the extra condition. जो हमारे पास extra condition है, that is mod of x minus y is minimum. मतलब x minus y का जो difference है that should be minimum. तो let's check x minus y. x minus y जब आप करते हो 781 plus 9 हो जाएगा because minus 9 है already. When you subtract will become 790 minus 17k minus 13k, that will be minus 30k. So mod of 790 minus 30k. बच्चों इसको हमें करना है मिनिमम, आई हैव टू मेक इट मिनिमम. तो बहुत सिंपल सी बात है बच्चों, 30 का मल्टीपल होता है 780, राइट, व्हेन k इज 26, दैट यू कैन सिंपली सी, है ना, क्लोजेस्ट जाना है. अगर मैं 26 के बाद 27 डाल देता हूं, द डिफरेंस विल बिकम 20. सो द मिनिमम डिफरेंस विल बी 10 व्हेन k इज इक्वल टू 26, राइट. आई होप सबको क्लियर है ये. When the difference is 26, sorry, when the k value is 26, the difference will be, let me write it here also, x minus y will be 10, right? Otherwise it will be higher every time. So बच्चों k की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास सबसे पहले important. So now basically major portion of our question is done because k की वैल्यू डाल के we'll get x and y values and then accordingly I can find the cost of next year. Okay, so let's find the value of x and y on the next page. Let me remember this, 781 minus 17k, right? तो बच्चों x is 781 minus 17k and that will be 781 minus 17 into 26. How much? Let me see, 26 into 17 minus 781 minus this, I think, okay, let me check. So 26, so this value will be 339. So value of x is 339. Similarly y, let me see this expression, 13k minus 9, right? So 13k minus 9, that is 13 into 26 minus 9. So अगर आप इसको solve करते हो 260 plus 78, so I think 329, this will be 329. So x is 339, so that is the first time. So total cost is 10,000. Okay बच्चों, so now I just have to find the next cost, new cost, that will be 13 into y. Okay, 13y plus 17x, let's see. So 13 into y is 329 plus 17 into 339. Okay, so let's see, 13 into 329 plus 17 into 339. But so this value comes out to be 10,040. Okay, so what is the extra cost? हमें तो extra cost पूछी थी ना, we needed to find the extra cost in this year, that will be 10,040 minus 10,000, that will be 40 rupees. Okay, so the answer for this question should be 40. Okay, so you can say this question is kind of entirely based on the knowledge of Diophantine equations. If you know how to solve them, I think आप कर पाओगे pretty much, है ना, आप solve कर पाओगे उसको. Diophantine equation जो solve करनी थी इसमें, but yes, with an additional condition that this was minimum, and उससे सब कुछ solve भी हो जाएगा. Using that is not that difficult, है ना. Okay बच्चों, I hope सबको clear है ये वाला question and everybody is getting to understand this question. Okay, so let's see the next question. Okay बच्चों, so next question थोड़ा सा solve करने वाला बचेगा. So बच्चों, this is the 17th question. Let's read it. Find the number of ordered triplets of ABC of positive integers such that 30A plus 50B plus 70C is 343. Okay, बच्चों it's kind of easy, but yes, सबसे पहले हम सबके maximum values देख लेते हैं, right बच्चों. What is the maximum value of C that I can put? C की वैल्यू 5 डाल देंगे तो 350 हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. A और B नेगेटिव तो हो नहीं सकते, so इसका मतलब C should be less than equal to 4, है ना. Similarly B, considering all the other are 0, B can go up to again 6, है ना. 6 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है, because if it is 7 then again it will become 350. Similarly 30A, the maximum value of A could be 11, right? If I am considering B और C 0 भी हो गए, if I am doing that, I kind of am finding the maximum value, right? 11 तक जा सकता है, 11 से आगे नहीं. So बच्चों, the condition is from C equal to 4, सबसे बड़ा coefficient है उसका. So using that will be very useful to us. Okay, let's take the case 1. Okay, let's put C equal to 4. Okay, I have to put different values of C. So let's put C equal to 1. I'll be left with, देखो, so this 70C will become 70. So that will subtract after going on right hand side. I'll get 30A plus 50B is equal to 343 minus 70. Right बच्चों? तो क्या आएगा? 273. बच्चों, now it is the sign is written wrong here for by me. Sorry. This will be less than equal to. Now I have to find different values of B and correspondingly the values of A. Right बच्चों? So considering this case, now it's very simple. बच्चों देखो, if I put B equal to 1, this will become 50. If I subtract 50 out of the other side, I'll get 223, right? So how many different values of A I can get? A will be from 1 till 7, है ना? So I'm getting 7 values, right बच्चों? Now if I put B equal to 2, I'll get again 30A will be less than equal to 173. So 173 के कितनी A की वैल्यू कहां तक जा सकती है? 5 तक. This time A could go from 1 to 5. So number of cases are 5, right? So then B is equal to 3. Again A will be equal to, subtracting 150, it will be 123 this time, है ना? So let me write the values also. This will give me 30A less than equal to 223. This will give me 30A less than equal to 173, and this will give me 30A less than equal to 123, है ना बच्चों? तो A की वैल्यू कितनी आ सकती है यहाँ पे? मैक्सिमम 4, 1 to 4, है ना? क्योंकि 120 आ सकता है मैक्सिमम, so 4 वैल्यूज. So last value when B is equal to 4, okay, 5 वैल्यूज तक जा सकता है. A will be equal to, B into 4 is 100, 200. I will get this time 30A less than equal to 73, right? तो A की वैल्यूज कितनी हो सकती हैं? 1 and 2 only, so only 2 cases. Okay, तो बच्चों B equal to 5 डाल सकता हूं मैं, right? No, because B equal to 5 is 250. Then 30A will be less than, let's see, 30A will be less than equal to 23, and this cannot happen, right? So no value after this. तो at least यहाँ तक ऐड करते हैं. How many cases are there? Values 7 plus 5 12 plus 2 20 plus 4 16 plus 2 18. So till now case 1 is 18 ways. Okay, first case. Now let's see the second case बच्चों. So we have to do this process again and again बच्चों, है ना? Simple. So put C equal to 2. Let's see. Now this time 30A plus 50B will be less than equal to, so twice is 140, subtract कर देंगे तो it will be 203, right? तो बच्चों इसके बाद let's put again B equal to 1. This will give you how much? Okay, let me correct it here. So let's see its first case. So let's put B equal to 1. This will give me, A की वैल्यूज क्या आएंगी बच्चों? B को अगर 1 डाल दिया, I'll get the equation 30A less than equal to 50 minus हो जाएगा तो 153, right? So then A could go up to 5, 1 till 5, 150 हो सकता है maximum. So I have 5 values. Putting B equal to 2, I'll get, again let me write 30A less than equal to how much? 100 minus हो जाएगा, so 103. So A could go up to 1 to 3, है ना? So there are 3 values. The next case B equal to 3, I'll get 30A less than equal to 150 हो जाएगा तो 53. So A will be equal to 1 only, है ना? So last case 1. इसके बाद नहीं करेंगे because it will get further smaller, तो A की वैल्यू नहीं आएगी. So बच्चों यहाँ पे कितने केस हो गए? 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 cases. Okay, I hope आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया first 2 cases. So 19 plus 18 plus 9, 27 cases are already covered. Okay, so let's solve the rest of the thing on the next slide. Next value is, let's take C equal to 3. तो बच्चों इस बार इक्वेशन क्या आएगी? 30A plus 50B less than equal to 343 minus 210, right? So 133, 210 माइनस हो जाएगा. तो बच्चों इसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली लेट्स सी अगेन, लेट्स सी इफ आई पुट b इक्वल टू 1, क्या इक्वेशन आएगा मेरे पास? 30A लेस देन इक्वल टू 83, राइट? अगर b को 1 डालता हूँ. सो 83 तक हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज ऑफ a? 1 and 2 only. So I have two values, right? So then putting b equal to 2, I'll get the new equation as 30a less than equal to 100 माइनस हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, तो 33. तो बच्चों इस बार तो a की वैल्यू आ पाएगी, a can be 1 only. So another case 1. So बच्चों 3 केसेस ही आएंगे, इसके आगे तो नेगेटिव ही हो जाएगा, राइट? b can be maximum of 2 only in this case. So last केस और देखते हैं. Let's say c is 4, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कैन बी 4 है ना. So now 30a plus 50b will be less than equal to 280 minus हो जाएगा 70 into 4, that will be 63. So बच्चों very important, if you take b equal to 1 तो already 50 हो गया यहाँ पे, माइनस हो जाएगा, so it will give you 30a less than equal to 13. अगेन इसकी मैं वैल्यू कोई निकाल नहीं पाऊंगा, राइट? So let me correct it. I'll not be able to find any value from this, so no value, है ना? So now let's see the total number of cases, total pairs, total ordered triples. सबसे पहले थे 18, then 9 and then 3 cases. So ये इनको ऐड करना है. So बच्चों this will be coming out to be 30. Okay. So बच्चों number of different ordered triples should be 30. The answer for this question should be 30. है ना? तो इसमें केसेस बना के बच्चों सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, because there is no other way actually. Okay, no method that is smaller than this, at least I could say, है ना? बहुत लेंथी होंगे बाकी भी. Okay, alright. तो बच्चों I think you should be able to understand, simple है, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. We have to cyclically put the values, or you can say sequentially put the values of C, B and A. So इसमें आइडिया बता देता हूँ. The main idea is to put the largest value, जिसका सबसे largest coefficient है, because that can have the least values. So I have to make minimum cases. बिकॉज अगर मैं ए से स्टार्ट करता है, आई वुड हैव टू मेक मेनी केसेस, राइट? तो वहां से आपको आइडिया समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, ऑलराइट. तो गुड बच्चों, आई होप सबको क्लियर है ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस. सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, ऑलराइट बच्चों. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द 18th क्वेश्चन. ओके, लेट्स सी, लेट्स रीड इट. सो हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स ए एंड बी ऑफ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स विद ए लेस देन बी होना चाहिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड बोथ ए एंड बी आर बिटवीन 100 and 1000. ओके, satisfy that the GCD of AB and is to LCM of AB is 1 is to 495. Okay, so bachcho let's say I will write GCD as G only. So bachcho let's say, let me consider A could be G into P1. Okay, P1 is a quotient. Similarly B को भी क्या लिख सकता हूँ? G into P2, with the condition that P1 is less than P2, because A1 is less than B ना, A is less than B, so G is constant, common HCF, right? So P1 should be less than P2, and further P1 P2 are co-prime na, should be co-prime because GCD is already taken there, GG, right? G term is already taken. Okay, that is the way now. So P1 P2 should be co-prime and P1 has to be less than P2, right bachcho? So now using the property that the GCD into LCM of two numbers is the equal to the product of the two. Okay, let's use this property bachcho. I know this already now. We also know that G upon L is equal to 1 upon 495. So I can say L is 495 times G. Okay, so let's use this thing and put the values. So G into L is 495 into G, and on the right hand side A को क्या लिख सकते हैं? G times P1 into G times P2. तो अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, the G terms get cancelled, है ना? तो हमारे पास सिंपल एक्सप्रेशन एक आ रहा है that P1 into P2 is equal to 495, and these should be prime, right? Most important thing. तो 495 के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या आएगी? 3 square into 5 into 11. Okay, that is 495. Now इसके बाद के स्टेप में बच्चों we have to form the cases now, है ना? P1 less than P2 होना चाहिए and no, the two should be co-prime. So ऐसा है कि 3 square अगर मुझे देना है, पूरा 3 square किसी एक में डालना पड़ेगा, either in P1 or either in P2. I have to assign it to one of them, है ना? So let's take different cases. So let's say P1, let's take P1 as 3 square right? Then correspondingly P2 will be equal to 55, right? Other than 9, I have to take the other two factors. 5 into 11, that is 55. So now, what can be the different values of G also? I have to consider that, right? A and B के क्या different values हो सकते हैं, right? What will be the value of G now? So very importantly, the thing is, A जो value है, G into P1 and G into P2. Let me write it here. G into P1 and G into P2 should be lying between 1000 and 100, right? ये भी consider करना है. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे 9 है, P1 is 9 at least, right? So the minimum value I can multiply with this so that it should cross 100 is 12, right? That is 12, and 55 into 12 is justified, that is less than 1000 only, right? So this values, and what is the maximum value that will be achieved earlier, that will be for 55. 55 के साथ maximum value देख सकते हो. So 1000 upon 55 अगर आप करोगे, that will be 18 point something. So the maximum value you can go up to will be 18. So 12, 13, 14 up to 18. So how many values are there? This is how many? 18 minus 11, right? So 7 values. So there are 7 values in this case, right? 7 pairs of A and B, right? According to the each value of G, you will get A and B, है ना? Now taking the second pair, let's take P2 as 5. Sorry, P1 आना चाहिए था यहाँ पे. P1 is 5, okay? अगर अब P1 5 है हमारे पास, P2 will be the remaining thing 9 into 11, that is 99, ठीक है? तो बच्चों यहाँ पे G की वैल्यू देखते हैं. If I have to cross 100 or reach up to 100, I have to multiply by 20 at least, है ना? 5 को 20 से करना पड़ेगा. But 99 into 20 will be 1980, crossing 1000, right? So there will be no value, right? That will be satisfying this. So 0. Then let's take the next factor, that will be after 5, that will be 11. So P2 will be 9 into 5, 45. Okay. So this time, what will be the values of G? Minimum value for P1 will be 12, right? Again, starting from 12. Oh, sorry, 10, right? Because 11 into 9 is 99. I have to take one value greater, that is G is equal to 10. So for which this will become 110. Okay. Okay. Now going up to increasing the values. So what should be 1000 by 45? Maximum value कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं? Okay. So if we go up to 1000 by 45, okay, I think so 45 into 20 will be 900, है ना? So I think we can go up to 22, right? Because for 22 it will be 980, and after that it will exceed, है ना? So how many values are here now? 22 minus 9, that is 13 values, है ना? So 9, 7 and 13 we have found till now. Okay. Then taking the next factor, P1 will be 1 only, है ना? Because बच्चों अभी P1 55 नहीं हो सकता है, because P1 has to be less than P2 only. So last value is P1 is 1 and P2 is 495. Again, this will give me no value of G, right? No value of G because P1 की minimum value 100 होनी चाहिए. Multiplying that with P2, it will exceed 1000, far exceed, right? So no value. Okay. So बच्चों, how many ordered pairs are we getting? We are getting 20 ordered pairs, है ना? 7 plus 13, that was 20 ordered pairs. So 20 should be the answer of this question. Okay. All right. So बच्चों, I hope आपको clear है. So let's check the answer on the next page. Okay. Yes. So the answer is 20. Okay. All right. Okay. तो बच्चों, that is all from my side. These are the 3 questions which we did. I hope आपको समझ में आए सभी questions. Okay. Because I thoroughly enjoyed it explaining them. Okay. Okay बच्चों. So I'll ask again. So any student who is eager and enthusiastic about Maths Olympiad and want to pursue it, okay, we can connect with us. Okay. We want you to connect with us so that we can move ahead and bring gold for India at our international level. That is our long-term goal, right? Because we want India to win gold medals at International Maths Olympiad. Okay. So we want you to connect with us and help us bring gold for India in International Maths Olympiad. Okay. Okay, bachon. So that's all from my side. Thank you, everyone. See you in next session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.